Hi guys, it's me Rose here at the Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm welcome to our shout out video page. So I've got some questions and I've got some answers for you, and I've also got some really cool shout outs. So we're going to go through these, and we're going to go for a little tour around the shop, and then we're also going to do some shoes and unveiling. But we'll get to all the questions and shout outs first, and then we'll get a bit more into the fun stuff soon. So don't mind me, I have to read off my phone. So the first question asked on our community page was from Chanel Rochester. Again, as always, I'm sorry if I say your name's wrong. I try my hardest. So Chanel Rochester has asked, hello, was wondering if you ship orders as well, as I really need a pair for my boyfriend's party. Hopefully you guys can respond to my comment. Of course, we are right now. So hi Chanel. Yes, we ship to most countries worldwide, so just check the video description and you'll find the link where to purchase. Every video review and everything we do, we always put a link up there. You just gotta click on that link and have all the details when we ship and all that kind of stuff. So hope I answered your question good. The next question is from our Speed J Panetta 3. Again, sorry if I said it wrong. Has asked, what is your at least your favorite pleaser shoe, and which shoe of Hollywood female model are you best friends with? Okay, so my least favorite pair my least favorite pair of pleasure shoes are any shoe without a platform. Everyone that knows me, I'm a platform girl. I cannot do single soles. I'm not about them. I just don't like them. I can't walk in them. Not for me. And also, I like to be able to walk in comfort with my high heels, so I always go for a platform style. Everyone that knows me, big platform girl. Very comfortable in them. Single soles, not for me. But everyone loves to see me in single soles. We'll get to that later. Okay. I haven't had what's this one? Oh yeah, and you also asked what shoes of Hollywood female model am I best friends with? Unfortunately, I haven't actually met any of the Shoes of Hollywood models yet, but I would like to. They're all really gorgeous girls, but hopefully one day we can all maybe get together in the shop here and have a few model drinks at Shoes of Hollywood. That'd be really cool. But that's probably somewhere down the future when all this crazy world COVID stuff's over and we can get back to a bit of a normal life. So that'd be really cool. I'll enjoy that one day. Next question is from Roy Phillips. Your question was, what are your favorite platform heels? Oh, okay. I don't know if you saw a previous video of mine. I did a review on they were like a matte black skull platform shoe, and they had like a finger bone heel. They are my absolute favorite shoes. I took them home with me and I've been wearing them nearly every day just around my apartment. They are my absolute favorite. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll find the review eventually and some photos when you look on a page at Shoes of Hollywood. And yeah, even if you jump onto my Patreon, I'm pretty sure they'll be on there as well. So they're my favorite ones. Next question is, I'm so sorry if I say this wrong, Vishalini Suresh. You have asked, what do you eat in a day to maintain your shape? Okay, so this is probably going to take a little bit of people by surprise, but I'm a big carby girl. Like, in moderation, of course, but I love my pastas. I love making a lot of pastas. I love making all kinds of meatballs, Spanish meatballs for one. I love lasagna. I do love my plain chicken and vegetables as well. But if you really, really want to win my heart, it's either steak or KFC. I'm a big KFC girl. Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is amazing. If you want to see where I'm eating at lunch, my lunch break at Shoes of Hollywood, I'm eating a big KFC chicken. So, yeah. But I am still healthy in ways. I always have my fruit and my tea and everything in the morning. But all the rest is kind of comfort food for me. But I work out, so that kind of helps with a lot of situations there. So thanks for your question. Next question is from our Nigel Mason. Has asked, to the beautiful lady in the picture, what do you do when you're not modeling shoes and clothes? And that's obviously me in the picture. So when I'm not modeling in here, I'm either at home doing a lot of really cool fun shoe stuff, but I also love to cook. I do a lot of cooking stuff. I also love to go fishing, and it's probably not really a girly thing to do, but I love fishing and camping. I love the outdoors, going to waterfalls, rainforest walks, that kind of stuff. I love getting in touch with the earth and just ground myself with that kind of stuff. So I love doing that. I'm not a big shopping girl or anything like that. I'm more the other side of things. So that was a cool question. Thank you for asking. Next question is from Everton Veris. Everton Veris has asked 2 questions. Cool. Do you intend to make a video showing the heels you have at home? And will you make a video on the channel using 9 or 10 inch high heels again? Okay, funny you say that because I've actually just recently done a at-home shoe review with all my shoe collection. Actually, not all my shoe collection because a lot of them are still in storage, but majority of them, and that's actually just, I don't know, I think that's on our YouTube. Yeah, so head over to our Shoes of Hollywood YouTube page because there is my video doing at-home ones, and you get to see my little cute animals that are walking around and like to interrupt my videos as well. So thank you for your question. That's really cool. And what about using 9 to 10 inch high heels again? Look, I'm going to say probably not. I'm not a big, I like comfort. I like to make sure that I'm going to be safe, obviously. I'm just not that confident in 9 and 10 inch, like maybe to put them on for photos or something like that, but not for reviews and that. I'm just not risking it. I like to be comfortable, and yeah, so unfortunately no, but who knows, the future could change. So yeah, thank you for your question, Everton Abiris. Shout out, okay, cool. So those are the questions from our community page today. Keep leaving your questions because we do these every week or so we will be answering your questions. We got a few shout outs today. So the first one is from Shemay Reagan. Hi to you. Thank you for your support and comments and all that kind of stuff. We watch everything that you do. So big shout out to you. Next one is for Oliver Davis. Hi to you. Big shout out to you. Keep up the cool work with us and supporting us. Next one is Joe Morales. Again, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but shout out to you. Martin Sharp, hello to you. Big shout out to you, and thank you for everything. And we're watching everyone's comments, and yeah, so massive shout out for Martin Sharp. Dwelly Canada. Dwelly. Again, I'm so sorry, but I see you pop up a lot, so big shout out to you. Danica Suzette, I see you a fair bit, so big shout out to you, and thank you. The Vicstar 18 vlog channel, massive shout out to you as well. A lot of support from you, so hi. Next one is there's a lot of shout outs today, that's so cool. Next one's Anthony Wisenant. Hello, shout out, hello, how you going? Really cool name, but I'm sorry if I mispronounced it. Roger LB, shout out to you, how are you going? I see you pop up a lot too, so just want to give you a big shout out. Everton Veris, sorry again, shout out to you. Roy Phillips, massive hello to you as well. We see a lot of your comments in that as well, so hi. Okay, I have learnt this word before and I don't know if I can pronounce it again. It's some mini cloud XO mini cloud X. I've tried. I see you a lot, so massive shout out to you. And Troy Bryant, I've been wanting to really give a massive shout out to you. It's been supporting our Patreon for I don't know how long now, a long time, and I just want to say a massive thank you, massive shout out to you, Troy Bryant. Me and here at Shoes of Hollywood really appreciate everything you do. So yeah, I just really want to show my appreciation to you and give you a massive shout out. Also Andrew Cloak and Andre Andre Soldano. I'm just going to go with that. It's probably not how you pronounce it, but I tried my best. So if you want another shout out, make sure you go to our community page. And yeah, we're always just picking and choosing. So eventually I'll get to you and give you a massive shout out. It is now pouring down rain, which is... Anyway, so yeah, so that's our shout out and questions today. That's like my favorite thing. So alright, so now we're going to put some shoes on before we go around the shop. I don't even know what these are, but these are AMUSE-10s, I think. They're a 5-inch single platform. I think, are they called single platform? Single platform? No. Yeah, they're just ones that I don't usually like. So thank you for suggesting that, everyone. I know you like to see me struggle a little bit. So as always, they come in your little carry bag. I can't wait because everyone just loves to see me struggle. Single sole. I think that's what it's called. There we go. Look, I'm not saying that I hate them, but I don't particularly like them. Anyway, they're a gorgeous shoe. They've got that, I think, is it the faux leather? Look to them with the little ankle strap thing there. So I apologise if I walk a bit funny in these ones, but as I said in those questions, I am a platform girl. You'd think being such a smaller heel it'd be easier to walk in, but it's not the case. So we're going to try these on. These are a 5-inch heel. And I just find them so uncomfortable because they put my ankle in a weird way. But everyone's suggesting, oh sorry, but my hair is growing pretty long, that I wear these, and look, I'm not saying I'm disappointed, but yeah, I do like the look of them on me. I just don't like the feel of them. So I really take my hat off to all the ladies that wear these day to day, because that would be a struggle on my heels. I mean, ankles. Alright. Oh my goodness, I can already feel it. Okay, so we're going to go for a little walk around the... Oh my goodness. Around the shop. Oh. And then we're going to come back and do an unveiling. So, oh my goodness, you guys. I'm going to try my hardest. So, alright. They're not too bad, these ones. But, anyway. So, I just want to show you over at our shop today, we've still got a lot of costumes and stuff. $10 rack. They are slowly heading out the doors, but there's still a lot to go. They need to go. So, everything on these 2 racks are $10. Got costumes, corsets, all different kinds of things. We've even got really two cool wedding dresses. They're actually really beautiful designs. They're actually only $50 per wedding dress. There was a really big wedding dress kind of shop that shut down near us, so we thought we'd grab them and be a bit of a bargain for anyone that looking to get married and that. So we cater for everyone. We've also got over here, we've got some really gorgeous little 2-piece sets over here, ready to sell. You know, everyone loves a good little matching set. We've got gorgeous little mini skirts. Awesome, all different colours. I mean, when I say all different colours from greens, hot pinks, to baby pinks, purples, reds, white. They even got the little matching tops as well in all different colours. You don't really find them much around anymore, so that's really cool. Over here on our other shelf over here that we don't show much, we've got a lot of our handmade designer bikini comp bikinis. They're all really beautiful Diamante handmade design ones. And then all over here are their bikini comp performance shoes as well. So all ladies and that do bikini comps and everything like that know it's really hard to find good price but good looking bikini comp bikinis, and also your performance shoes as well here. So there's all really beautiful designs, clear, like be beautiful on stage, even galas or anything like that as well. And we got some more costumes and you got some more of your comp bikinis. You've got a big range of all your bikinis and stuff. Over here we got our gorgeous baby dolls over here, sorry. All different coloured baby dolls, which I know is really hard to find here in Australia. So that's really cool. We catered to all design. We've got corsets, more costumes over here. A lot more costumes there. Oh, these shoes, I tell you what. Over here we got our little, just gotta show you these shoes. We've got our little shoe seat that I sit on. Got my beautiful girl that watches me every day. Heaps more shoes, and of course everyone has seen our gorgeous shoe collection. So I mean, if you couldn't find more of a woman's dream, yeah. So anyone that's got, you know, women, your boyfriends or anything looking for some really cool gifts and that, there's so much here to choose from. Really good birthday presents, anniversaries, Valentine's. Anyway, so we're going to get to my favourite part of the video in the day. I'm so excited. I'm going to do the unraveling of my gorgeous gift from Shoes of Hollywood. As I've been with them for, what, 6 years now, they have started to reward me in little pieces, which I really appreciate, and makes me actually, yeah, just excited to be here. And I don't really see this as work anymore. So I got this gorgeous little gift here, and I'm going to unravel it now. Now this one is a little lingerie set. Now obviously you won't see this on our YouTube, but if you do want to see later on me in this set, jump over to our Patreon and that as well, because you'll see a lot of me in this, in the photo shoot as well, and all the behind the scenes. So, oh my goodness, now I'm just saying, I haven't seen this yet. They always give me a little present and I never know what I'm getting. Oh my god, no wonder they've told me to dress in pink, pink makeup, pink everything. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to my voice just then, but oh my god, look at that. It's a one-piece vamp collection from a store here in Australia called Bras and Things. Oh my god, and that is the back of it. So it's a very strappy backless one. It goes right down the back. It's got your little suspender clips and that to clip onto your stockings. So I'm so excited. And that gorgeous, they even look like roses for Rose, but in pink. Those gorgeous little golden buckles there. A see-through sheer kind of corset look. Oh, I had no idea. I'm so excited to try this on and wear it. So if you'd like to see me in this as well, make sure you jump onto our Patreon, because it'll all be there. Photos and that as well, me trying it on, and also all the behind the scenes. So you won't be disappointed, because this is going to be a fun thing to try on and have some fun with. So, oh, thank you Shoes of Hollywood for getting me yet another gift. Never, ever, ever disappoints me. I'm in awe right now. It feels like my birthday. So, that's it for now. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.